In this video, we'll try to convert given machine instruction, this is assembly instruction, to the machine instruction. Okay, assembly instruction to machine instruction. Okay, so here there is a small difference compared to the previous questions. Your instruction is add. Your instruction is add instruction. Given a opcode for add instruction. Okay, as usual, your conversion into machine instruction, first comes the opcode. Opcode is 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is the opcode given, and D bit, definitely it is going to be 1 because data is going to the register. D bit is going to be 1, and definitely it is your W bit is going to be 1 because it's a 16-bit operation, which is the register. REG bit. REG bit, as usual, from your table it is 0 0 0. It is 0 0 0. So you just put 0 0 0 here, right? So what about mode bit and R by M bit? This is corresponding to this SI. Okay, so now refer to the table SI here. So in this table, where is SI? Only within the bracket SI is here. See, only SI is here. So corresponding mode bit is 0 0 and R by M is 1 0 0. So mode bit is 0 0 and R by M bit is 1 0 0. Done. It is done. That's all, right? So now you just try to form all its 4 bit. Okay. Now this is 0 3 0 4 is going to be your machine instruction for 16-bit mode of operation. 16-bit mode of operation. Now suppose if it is 32-bit mode of operation, there is a violation in both address and operand, right? See, address is here 16-bit. Operand is also a 16-bit, right? So for 32-bit operation, so for 32-bit mode of operation, the same machine instruction, you have to put a prefix of 66, 67, then 03, 04. That's all, right?